Hey guys, let's see how to change the Wi-Fi on a Blink Sync module 2. As you can see, mine is flashing here, green, okay? That's why, because I changed my Wi-Fi router, okay? So it's not working here, it's not connecting. You see here also the camera is flashing green, not connecting because the camera depends on the module. And also here I have sync module offline on my cell phone, on my app. So basically here on my app, I just bring my app and I connect my phone to the new Wi-Fi here, to my new router, and then here I just need to come here and click here on sync module offline, and I get this screen here with sync module status, right? So I just click here and it shows me that module is offline. I can come here and change the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna get instructions here on how to do it. See here, saying that I need to have the blinking blue LED working. It's not doing this right now. I have the green LED flashing, so that's why I need to come here and reset this module. Okay, so there's a reset button here. Let me just grab a paper clip and press and hold here. There we go, pressing and holding, wait for it to reset. Wait a little bit more, still pressing it. There we go. You see that changes here the status, right? And now I just need to wait for it to boot up and start flashing that way. See, now it's flashing the way it's supposed to be. And I can come here and discover our device. There we go. Now I need to have your cell phone close to the module so we can connect to it and you can do the setup, right? And change the Wi-Fi. And you see that I even have here a thumb drive to save my recordings, right? No, so now I can select here my Wi-Fi. Say is unable to connect to the server. Of course, I need to connect to my Wi-Fi here. Let me just connect to this one and put here my temp pass. It's just for testing here. There we go. Make sure that I have this correct. Join. There we go. Connecting to Blink servers. Now you see the LED here changes. It's updating the sync module firmware. Pretty good. You see here, you are making progress. It's changing the LED status and also updating the system. Super good. Let's just wait for a while. There we go. LEDs are off now. And now back to flashing green. Still updating. Okay, so it's done. Pretty good. Wi-Fi changed. And you see the LED here change, the status. Now I have steady blue for a while, and this one is still flashing, doing something. And now it's steady green. That's the way it's supposed to be. Now I have the new Wi-Fi, and the syncing module is good, right? It's online now, as you can see here. Now I can go and start setting up my cameras. So pretty good. That's the way you can change the Wi-Fi on a Blink Sync module 2. I hope this helps. So please leave your comments here, give me the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.